I'm sitting here practicing. A dude almost killed me. This is amazing. Let's go! Oh my gosh! Probably in third gear, he came out right in front of me. Let's go! So freaking happy.
I'm a young sad kid who fell in love with the bankroll.
I didn't think I was going to do all this today.
I can't believe this is really happening. Today, I start living!
I don't want to leave here. I need to go home and edit, but like, I want to ride and do wheelies. I was literally leaving, and then I did a wheelie, and I was like, wait, this is really nice. The pavement's smooth.
I got a bad name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stuck, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm running, you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this. Damn, it's gonna be a long day. Yeah. I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah, let's go.
Too much fun. You're killing it. You're killing it.
Really, nigga? I told Shorty drop it for a real one. Yeah. Go ahead and pop it, let me feel some. Do it for the boy with a bag now. Movie star money making everybody act out. I don't lie to these women. If I want them, then I tell them. Don't get fly for these women. I was born with these propellers. All my haters cannot beat me, so I call them acapellas. See, I'm only getting better. You only get jealous. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo.
I'm having so much fun. I just tried a new trick. So I have my drop, my.
That you would.
I have my one peg on, so I just put my foot there.
I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah, let's go.
I just did my first combo! No way! No way! I went from the peg to... Oh, what? I went from the... Oh my gosh! I just went from here to the knee knocker.
I told Shorty drop it for a real one. Yeah. Go ahead and pop it, let me feel some. Do it for the boy with a bag now. Movie star money making everybody act out. I don't lie to these women. If I want them, then I tell them. Don't get fly for these women. I was born with these propellers. All my haters cannot beat me, so I call them acapellas. See, I'm only getting better.
No way! Damn! What? Where'd this all come from? I ain't never really like that. I just want to practice.
You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she.
I got it! Yes! Let's go! Let's get it! I was just saying earlier, like, I want to be able to, like, chop it, hit balance point, and then chop it again. Woo! And now that I'm learning, I don't want to leave at all. At all. We're getting the tune game down. When I first bought this bike, I couldn't do it. And I just discovered today that I can, and I can do combos. Dude, all it takes, you can put your mind to anything, it just takes practice. Practice, practice, practice. I don't want to hear I can't. I don't want to hear I can't. That's not a thing.
Damn, it's gonna be a long night. You know? Damn, it's gonna be a long night.
I'm so freaking happy. This is amazing. I'm so sorry. I told Blondie I was on my way home. Not true. Bro, I just got my first combo down. I've never had rear pegs on. I went from there to a knee knocker and it feels comfortable. Now I want to learn how to do it.
Sit down.
Sit down. How do you do it? So should I go from to there or there?
Yeah, you can go from back there and then
So,
sit back down. Yeah.
ooh, that's a different one. Just swing your leg back down and try to find the peg. All right, I'm gonna try to learn it. Trying to do this on my R6 and it wasn't working. Bought one of these. Now I'm learning. down to a stand-up?
You know that
Oh, I did it! I did it! Oh no! What? I did it! First try! Oh, I was trying to go back down. I just did it twice. Let's go! That's what I'm talking about. Oh, that's actually not that bad. I can't believe I got it. I did it again. Let's see if we can go back down. I did it! No way! Don't think about it, just do it. I didn't have time to think about it. He told me, I was like, all right, I'm gonna go try, and I tried it, and I did it, and boom. If you overthink something, you're gonna get fearful and nervous, and then that'll screw you up. So as long as it's not like in harm's way, I'm not saying this isn't, you know, totally safe, but do it in a safe setting. Hey, and another thing, one thing I learned that I really want all of y'all to know, and hopefully y'all already know it, don't worry about the other guys. They're doing their thing, you do your thing. Oh my gosh, Kim! Wait, where did all this come from? No freaking way! Listen, I'm proud of myself, you know, it just shows. It's a stand-up, or knee knocker. I can't believe I just learned so much. Alright, bro.
Bro, stop.
I'm going to home, I got an hour ride home!
I'm a young sad kid who fell in love with the bankroll. They said money wouldn't ease my pain, that's cap. They said
What the heck? Where did all this come from, Cam?
that money would make me change, that's fact. Cause I might live a little bit longer now. I'm a young sad kid who fell in love with the bankroll. They said money wouldn't ease my pain, that's cap. They said money would make me change, that's fact. Cause I might live a little bit longer. I got dead presidents, they're all my stalker. Demons in my head like to play hide and seek. But if I'm never looking, why do they find me?
Now we getting a little bit of swag, baby.
Bruh, bruh.
Now I gotta do all those combos over again, bro. Oh, baby steps, baby steps. I might as well just go to a high chair too.
But if I'm never looking, why do they
I just missed so much content.
find me? Too many things on my mind. I hope you can relate. I hope you can relate. Had to switch up, made money from my pain. But I'm a young sad kid who fell in love with the bankroll. They said money wouldn't ease my pain, that's cap. They said money would make me change, that's fact. Cause I might live a little bit longer.
We just did on one hand because I missed the first time I did it. Oh my gosh, I just forgot. Oh, my battery died, guys. I'm sitting here practicing. I kept on going. A dude almost killed me. I was doing a wheelie. Probably in third gear. He came out right in front of me.
I'm a young sad kid who fell in love with the bankroll. They said money wouldn't ease my pain, that's cap. They said money would make me change, that's fact. Cause I might live a little bit longer. Too many
We're gonna try using our peg.
teardrops in my eyes. I had to hold them back, I ain't really wanna cry. My mom said I was a soldier. I didn't understand till I got a bit older. There's a war zone in my head.
Let's go!
Let's go! Oh my God! Let's go!
I'm so sorry, but I'm so hype. I don't care if you don't like me yelling. This is not the channel for that. I am here to get hype. I am here to make the world hype again. Oh, that's a cop. Huh. Fancy. I just learned so much. We're gonna go from a sit down to a knee knocker. Yep, we just did it. I've been out here and I haven't been wheeling, but then we got to that strip and I was like, all right, let me go out. Like, it is like a strip, you know, like no cars. That's the improvement. You go out and you go to a freaking lot. I just learned how to go from a sit down to a knee knocker to back down to a, bro, did that bus just run the light? Oh, I don't know. It's a freaking stop sign. Duh. I'm so dumb. That's probably why the bus freaking honked at me. Amazing freaking ride. I almost died. I learned 3 different combos. I learned how to go from a sit down to a knee knocker and back down too. I also learned how to go from this peg to a knee knocker and from that peg to go to a sit down. That's phenomenal. I need to go to lots more. Oh, I just kind of sent it. I was like, yo, how did you do this? And they were just like, do it. And I was like, Okay. Went and did it first try. He was like, go from sitting down to a stand-up. Okay.
I'm a young sad kid who fell in love with the bank. They said money wouldn't ease my pain, that's cap. They said money would make me change, that's fact. Cause I might live a little bit longer now. I'm a young sad kid who fell in love with the bank. They said money wouldn't ease my pain, that's cap. They said money would make me change, that's fact. Cause I might live a little bit longer. I got dead presidents, they're all my stalker. Demons in my head like to play hide and seek. But if I'm never looking, why do they find me? Find me. Too many things on my mind. I hope you can relate. I hope you can relate. Had to switch.
Let's freaking get it, boys. You wanna do something? Do it. This is amazing though. Oh. Ow. I don't know if I told you guys, but I'm gonna learn stunning and the track life at the same time. I'm bringing both content, so you want to learn about both with me? Take this journey with me? Let's go, full send, baby. So much fun! And I just kept on learning more. I had a smile on my face, like the biggest freaking smile, ear to ear, the entire time. Every time I was going up and down. All right, no one's on their phone, so no one's calling the cops, but...
Made money from my pain, but I'm a young sad kid who fell in love with the bankroll. They said money wouldn't ease my pain.
Oh my gosh! What? Where did all this come from? Listen, if you do something you really didn't think you were going to do, I didn't think I was going to do all this today. I also didn't think my body was going to perform like this today. But shit, I just learned all that. I'm proud of my damn self. You know what I mean? Love yourself. Damn! Let's go, Cam! Oh! Easy taught me. Not a lot of y'all get that reference.
I'm a young sad kid who fell in love with the bankroll. They said money wouldn't ease my pain, that's cap. They said money would make me change, that's fact. Cause I might live a little
Just like that,
bit
sit down and
longer.
stand.
Too many teardrops in my eyes, I had to hold them back.
Back down and sit down! Let's go! I'm so proud of... Oh, my shoelace. Damn it. Okay, you're doing good. You're not. Yeah, one job!
My mom said I was a soldier. I didn't understand till I got a bit older. There's a war zone in my head, relapsing off of memories. I think enough was said. I'm laying in my bed, thinking about.
And I don't know why that truck was pushing me, bro. I had to tie my freaking shoelace. Rushing me for what? I'm having a ball. No cops, right? I'm all about the smiles. People are going to cops with me, or you're gonna have an ear-to-ear smile. That's simple as that. Usually how it goes. You see, he likes it. Point freaking proven.
Damn, boy, you looking like some good old fried chicken from KFC, boy. I could taste you already, buddy.